In this section, the most common inorganic compounds of carbon will be considered in detail. The most important compounds are oxides of carbon. Here we have two oxides, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. If we will talk about carbon monoxide is found in the atmosphere in trace amounts. It is a colorless, odorless and poisonous gas, or we can also call it toxic. The exhaust of motor cars and the combustion of fuels cause an increase in the concentration of carbon monoxide in air. Here you can see a funny picture where a car produces carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is also produced while cooking meat on a barbecue or making shashlik. Carbon dioxide, also a gas, it's a colorless, odorless and non-toxic. It also found in the atmosphere. Here in picture you can see three atomic structure of carbon dioxide. It approximately 1.5 times heavier than air. Preparation. Carbon dioxide can be prepared in two ways in industry. Also it can be prepared in a laboratory. Carbon dioxide is produced when limestone is heated. Here we can see limestone heating, and in products we have calcium oxide and also carbon dioxide. Also second method of preparation is the fermentation of glucose. Here you can see glucose. When glucose is fermented by the catalyst yeast, we have two products, alcohol or ethanol and carbon dioxide. In a lab, we can produce carbon dioxide by the action of dilute acids, here for example hydrochloric acid. On metal carbonates, we have calcium carbonate. In the product we'll have water, carbon dioxide and calcium chloride. Chemical properties of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide reacts with basic oxides and bases. Here we have basic oxide and metal. In both we have carbonates. In product we have carbonates, and in second we have water. Also we need to talk about uses of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is used to produce soft drinks, to make a fire extinguishers, to make carbonates, etc. Also, one of the main compound of carbon is a carbonic acid. Here you can see chemical formula of carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is formed by reaction between carbon dioxide and water. In the product we have carbonic acid. Carbonic acid itself cannot be isolated. It decomposes into carbon dioxide and water. Why? Because carbonic acid is a weak and unstable acid. You need to memorize it by heart. Also, main or important compounds of carbon is a salts of carbonic acid. It can be divided in two big groups called carbonates with the chemical formula CO3 and hydrogen carbonates HCO3. If we will talk about carbonates, carbonates are soluble in the water except for sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate and ammonia carbonate. But hydrogen carbonates are all soluble in the water. Some carbonates such as limestone or calcium carbonate, it also known as a chalk or marble, are found in nature in large quantities. For example, you can see a picture of calcium carbonate deposits in a Pamukkale in Turkey. Chemical properties of carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. Carbonates and hydrogen carbonates react with acids to produce carbon dioxide, salts and water. Also, some carbonates undergo the electrolysis. For example, if we will take sodium carbonate, in a product we will have strong base and weak acid. Also, we need to know Also, we need to know that carbonates of metals are thermally stable. Only at high temperatures do they decompose into metal oxides and carbon dioxide, as shown here in the picture. Elements of first A group doesn't go under the decomposition reaction. Only lithium carbonate is the exception. Here you can see reaction. But all carbonates of second A group are successfully goes under the decomposition reaction. Also, we need to know that hydrocarbonates of first A group are decomposed at less than 100 Celsius degree, and hydrocarbonates of second A group are really unstable. That's why they can exist only in solutions. Thank you guys for your attention and learning chemical properties of carbon. See you later.